Welcome to AmiSights, a podcast that offers you access to thought leaders who can help you expand your entrepreneurial toolbox. Learn from seasoned entrepreneurs who have already walked in your shoes and can help you with your day-to-day business decisions. Join the founder and CEO of Multifunding, Ami Kassar, and his co-host Lynn Ozer, the president of Multifunding, aka the SBA Queen, as they help you navigate, grow, and stay in control of your business.
So I am a franchise attorney. I focus on franchisors. I help people take independent, successful businesses that they've sort of conquered locally, and I turn them into a franchise on the regulatory format, writing their FDDs and the franchise agreements and giving them the structure and helping them scale. And they usually, once they get up to, a decade and a few hundred locations, they kind of graduate from me, and our path is taking owners and turning them into generational wealth. So it's a very narrow focus. We represent about 350 brands nationwide. And, as when we first met, I got my start in the franchising world by selling franchises for Rita's Italian Ice, those Philly folks who are here and know that brand. I joined Rita's about the same time I enrolled in law school in my mid-30s. And so I spent 4 years slugging through law school and, paying for it by franchise commission. So I've been in franchising for 20 plus years, and I've had the firm for 12. And it's great fun. I mean, I get to take founders who go from just having a business that supports their family to one that kind of exponentially explodes. They don't all get there. It's a hard road for sure. But when you see them build that generational wealth, it is that's kind of our why. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty fun.
Thanks for joining us today on AmiSights. Since 2010, Multifunding has helped businesses achieve their biggest growth goals through creative and personalized funding solutions, working with a network of the nation's top lenders. Visit us at multifunding.com, where you can meet our advisory team and learn more about how we help entrepreneurs fund their future.